Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw something super fun and colorful, a cafe.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big rectangle. This will be the top floor of our cafe. Now, on top of it, draw another smaller rectangle. Now, let's draw the roof of the first floor. Make it slightly curved and fun. Below the roof, draw the first floor of our cafe. Next, draw an arched door and a big window beside it. On the top floor, let's draw 3 small windows. 1, 2, 3. Time to add a chimney on top. Let's write Café on the roof of the first floor. Perfect. Now draw stone patterns in front of the cafe. Just little round and oval shapes.
La da 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 dee.
Finally, draw 2 unique trees, one on each side of the cafe. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. We'll use rainbow colors today. Let's say the color names together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Silver color. Cream color. Wow, it's looking so bright and cheerful. Fantastic work, little artists. If you enjoyed drawing this colorful cafe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun art videos. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.